Can you astral project every single day or every single night? Now, this is something quite often asked on my Instagram, actually in a DM. By the way, I hope you're enjoying these new videos I'm going to be posting quite often here on Astral HQ, but I would love to know what style you prefer. Do you prefer it when it's just me talking to you like this, or do you prefer, when I have the stock footage or a whiteboard video or something like that? Okay, I'd really love to know, because this is a growing channel and it needs some kind of feedback from you guys. So, can you astral project every single day? The truth is, no, you cannot. It's very difficult to do, and in many ways it's a lot harder than lucid dreaming. So even lucid dreaming, you can't do it every night. Even if you try as hard as you possibly can, you're never going to be able to do it every single night without fail, 100% of the time guaranteed. Yes, you can get lucky, and you might have a period of time where you might lucid dream for a week in a row, 7 days in a row, but you're never really going to be able to astral project every single day. Beyond being just incredibly lucky, like you might have 1 week where you do that. But that being said, there are some things you can do to make astral projection more likely, more regular, more reliable. So I do actually have on my website an entire page dedicated to astral projection tutorials, tips, techniques, and guides, everything you can imagine. Just go to astralhq.com or just check out the other videos on my channel. I talk about this quite often, so it's something I like to share my experiences with. But please don't let that put you off. I know you're probably watching this and thinking, well, I would like to astral project every day if that's possible, but just because you can't do it every night, it doesn't mean that it's not worth doing. There are lots of experiences in life where you don't do them every single day, but when you do them, it makes up for all the times where you haven't done them. I'm not going to give you any examples. I'm sure you can sort of come up with your own examples for that, but my point is you should still learn how to do it. So please go and check out my video that I made called How to Astral Project Tonight. There is a link in the description, but I'm sure you can just click on my channel or the end screen or any of the things that will lead you to more of my videos.